Plus, we hella big too.
Ooh, they got ice cream. I'm about to hit the ice cream after too. I want like mango ice cream or something. Hello.
Yeah, this has a lot more space here.
Yeah.
You guys see anything on the menu you like?
Fried wontons are hella good. They got stir-fried Wagyu with basil over rice. Hella. You'll probably start off with crispy whatever for appetizer.
Yeah, well, we can give it that.
They got
They got Thai Thai.
They got chicharron.
Oh, they got stir-fried braised beef with basil over rice. Let's get Pad Thai.
I might take out.
And we got a long ride, so you can knock out in the car after you pick it up. So they take Visa too.
Nice. This desserts are kind of like Filipino desserts.
Hey, y'all want to get the appetizer set where it has the fried chicken?
Yeah, I'm with it. I was looking at that too to start off.
Which one's that?
Appetizer.
It's like on the front 3 pages.
Right here?
Third page.
Yeah.
Hey, you got that Thai spicy, so let me know. The first bite, you should taste it like hella hot.
You got multiple cameras on you, bro. You like a celebrity.
It looked like it. It looked like a Dorito without the sauce.
Yeah. Thai spicy is super spicy, but it tastes good though.
You gotta get that water now. Look at
Yeah, it's hot.
The flavor of the peppers are good though.
Tastes like lighter food. Yeah, it's hot. About to be sweating.
At least they cooked your meatballs then.
What spice do you get?
I just got mid spicy, man. I don't really like spicy like that. Really sensitive when it comes to the spices, but you know, a little bit's cool.
Should brought like a towel with it.
One more, please. Thank you. Fried egg.
Alright, I'm ready to eat.
We got the food here, got the medium spicy, got my egg. Like what? That was great.
Yeah.
They got these fried little, it's like bread.